Today I'll be unboxing the new Tecno Spark 7P smartphone. This is the new upgrade to the Tecno Spark series. It's an entry-level device and is priced around 68,000 naira. In dollars, it's about 156. My review will focus on the physical feature, the performance, the charging time, the camera, and the battery life of this smartphone. So now let's see what's in the box. The first thing you notice while unboxing this device is a paper pack that houses a 12 plus 1 month warranty sticker, a transparent case, and also a SIM injector. Then finally you see the Spark 7P device. There's also a paper that shows the major specifications of this device: the 90Hz refresh rate, G70 processor, 16 megapixel camera, and the 5000 mAh battery. The color of this device is Alps blue. The Spark 7P has a rubber-like feel and can withstand a fall of at least 3 feet. It also comes in magnet black, sports green, and summer mojito. It took me roughly 2 minutes to set up this device. I would say it was quite fast. Now let's go back to unboxing. This device comes with a micro USB cable, 10-watt charger, and an earpiece. The Spark 7P has a triple rear camera, 16 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth, and an AI camera. The selfie camera is 8 megapixel and it comes with 2 LED lights. The Spark 7P isn't water resistant, but if you accidentally drop your phone in water for some few seconds, you should be fine with no issues. Sadly, the charging time of the Spark 7P isn't great. To charge from 0 to 100% takes about 3 hours due to the 10-watt charger that comes with the device. It takes less than 3 seconds to unlock your device while using the face lock feature. The Spark 7P comes with a MediaTekHelio G70 processor. It is a 12nm processor that offers a great gaming experience. I played FIFA and Mortal Kombat on it, and I have to say I enjoyed the experience. So there's this new amazing feature called Social Turbo. It gives you a voice changing option while making WhatsApp calls. Now this feature has to be enabled for you to access it. All you have to do is go to your settings, search for Social Turbo, then you switch it on.
We'll try another voice. How about this one?
Guy, you be thief. I like the voice.
The anti-theft feature is quite exciting. You can use this while charging your phone in public places. Once it's set up, an alarm rings if your device is unplugged. It rings to your pattern or security code is imputed. Now the only problem I have with this is that the alarm is not loud enough. This device comes with a 90Hz refresh rate display, which is good for pictures and multitasking. But this high refresh rate also drains the battery fast, so there's an option to switch between 60 and 90Hz. My overall review for the Spark 7P is that it's a good upgrade for the previous versions. I think the MediaTekHelio G70 processor makes multitasking seamless. For the internal memory, I think 64GB or 128 is actually amazing for an entry-level device. Now, let's go to the battery. 3 hours to charge this phone. Why? That's too much, man. I think they should put a 25-watt charger next time. For the camera, I think with good lights, it's amazing. Without good lights, man, I won't advise you to use it. But I'll give the phone an 8/10. I'm giving it 8/10 because of the price. I think for the price, you're getting a good deal.